There it is. Okay. This is the real thing.
Look, your head looks normal size when I'm looking behind you.
Yeah, I did that on purpose.
I don't think this qualifies as social distancing, though.
Wow. There's only so far away you can get from me.
Yeah, no, I'll try. What's up, everybody?
Let us know if you're here, can hear us. There's a whole new setup for Facebook Live. We're doing it from a laptop, which is a first for me. So if you're here, tell us. If you can't hear us, tell us. Our end, everything looks good.
Yes. So we're going to do this every day this week at noon. We're going to be adding a lot more videos throughout the week in addition to these live workouts. Hey, Yancy, what's up?
Yay.
So today what we'll do is we'll do a quick warm up. Those of you that come to our regular classes, our regular fitness classes are going to be very similar. So we'll do a warm up. We're going to go over the exercises after the warm up, and then we'll get into it. We're going to do it with you, and by we, I mean mostly Amber. I'm going to pretend to do it and pretend to coach. That way I don't have to do it all because I'm old. Somebody has to work.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what we're going to try to do is throughout the week, we're going to add up videos where you can kind of do some things on your own using things in your house if you don't have equipment. So everything that we're going to do today is going to be body weight driven. We are going to use a wall for one exercise. I assume most people have at least a wall in their house.
Kids, ask your parents first.
If not, we can modify, I'm sure. But that's about it. Anything else?
Should we tell them to like breathe and drink water and whatever?
I'll do that.
Smart stuff. Okay.
As we're working out.
Yeah.
I'm going to run it just like a class.
Sweet.
So I'm going to yell at
just
you a
for
lot.
Me? Oh, yeah. Good. You guys are going to hear a lot of new material about my small head.
I'm going to pretend that you're Terry or Sarah.
Perfect.
Or maybe Tom. I miss Tom. Tom should be here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. We are gonna have a timer going on to help us keep up with what's happening, and we'll just kind of give you prompts throughout. All right.
Let's get warm, people. Woo! Are you gonna tell me what to do?
That's my favorite part.
I know.
All right, balls your feet side to side. Weight on the inside your big toes.
I should have brought a dog.
Cross your arms in front. Be quiet. We're working now.
Right, I'm talking.
Shh. Straight punches out to the front. Stay on the insides of your big toes. Light work. Easy, loose fists. This is one of the weirder things I've done.
Yep.
It's pretty awkward feeling right now.
Yep.
I need somebody to yell at. I'm gonna pretend Terry's coming in the door in just a minute. Late per usual. Uppercut, same thing.
Got another couple minutes. Gotta get to the warm up first.
Yep.
Why don't you go see what somebody commented if you don't want to work out?
Cross the arms in front. Hips. Back to the balls, feet side to side, right arm forward, big circles. Left arm forward, same thing. Right arm back. Left arm back. Right arm forward, left arm back. Ah, that's my favorite part. I can't see people screwing it up. Reverse.
Taekwondo taught me something.
Karen Hamilton, where are you? I know you're not even trying this right now.
She's not on Facebook, but maybe get out there.
Good time. All right, so we're going to walk our hands out, walk them back.
I'm just saying, more people would watch if I had a dog.
Well, you can do that when you get home.
All right, guys, I'll live stream from my page.
Walk it all the way out. Stay there. Rock forward on your toes. Rock back towards your heels. Hold straight body.
Some dog workouts.
Shoulder blades apart. Press the palms of your hands into the floor. You're not following CDC guidelines. And lunges.
I'm a T-Rex arm's length away. They want to see more of me than you.
I mean, I can leave.
I'm not doing this alone, staring at a camera.
Won't hurt my feelings one bit. Knees to the floor, shoulder blades apart, shoulder blades together.
Nate Weber told me to watch out for the headbutt.
She'd never survive it. Crack that thing like an egg. Right hand behind your head, right elbow, left arm.
Eggs are bigger than grapes, at least.
And switch, same thing other side. All right, in time. Okay, so here's our workout. So we're going to superset these. It's one superset, then another. Can everybody see that? Okay. Like that. There it is. Good. So 2 supersets. Go pause that while you're being a pest.
I'm hoping.
No, you're not. So first superset, scorpion push-ups. Dying bug wall press. You're going to do 30 seconds work, 15 seconds rest, then do the second exercise. We're going to do that 6 times. Take a minute down, then we go to the second superset. Rock bottom squats, rock no roll. 30 seconds work, 15 seconds rest, 6 times. And then we'll do the Tom cool down. Some of you will know what that means.
You will all.
All right, so here's the exercises.
We got a Magno here. Danielle's probably working out. There's no way Chris is.
If I'd have known Chris was going to be on, I'd do some calf exercises. All right, so scorpion push-ups, move. And you can do whatever kind of push-up you can do. Obviously, modify these as needed. So as I lower to the floor, I'm going to drop one foot across and back up. Dying bug wall press. So I'm going to go an overhead press against the wall, and it's constant tension the whole time. Pressing the whole time. Pretty much at full extension. Feet are off the floor. I'm going to extend one leg, 1 count, and back. Extend the next one, 1 count, and back. Keep the core engaged the whole time, pressing the whole time. Second superset, rock bottom squat. So chest out, butt out, knees tracking your first 2 toes. You're going to go 1, 2, back up through your heels. 1, 2, press back up through your heels. And then the last one, rock no roll. If you've never done this one before, I want you to take video and send it to me later. Because you're probably going to go in a circle.
Put it in the comments.
Let's see. I don't know the best way to show this one. So not using my hands, not using my feet. It's hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders, shoulders. I'm going to turn this way. Hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders. Keep your core engaged the whole time. All right. 30 seconds work, 15 seconds rest, 6 supersets, minute down. We do the second. Ready?
I guess so.
All right.
Are you done pushing me out of the camera now? They had to know I'm still here.
They can hear you.
It's because I'm the fun one.
Yeah, let's go with that. All right. I'm going to start with scorpion push-ups. Remember, modify if you need to. Even if you want to go to 2 knees on the scorpion push-ups, you can still go here and do that. So we're going to start in 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Stay with it. That's halfway. Who wrote this?
This is stupid. Who decided to do this?
5 seconds. Time to the wall. Not the windows. Beat you.
Oh, man.
Remember, you're going to press the whole time. Keep your core engaged. Feet off the floor. Extend. Hold. Let's get it. Halfway. 10 seconds. All right, so we're gonna go back to push-ups. So that's 1. We have 5 more of those to go.
People are commenting that they hate us.
No, they love it.
When the sweat drops down.
Let's get it.
It's just not fair.
What?
Who put us together?
I told you I can leave. I can stand off to the side and yell at you.
If you could just make me look better, that'd be good.
Okay.
Yeah, he's dying over here.
How are you doing this?
I know, I'm amazing.
Wall presses.
I'm ready for the lower body now.
We're just getting started.
Woo.
Let's go. Why are you breathing so hard?
I know, I am. It's too quiet in here.
How are you breathing like that?
Right.
10 seconds. I mean, this is basically a wrestling now.
Yeah.
You just get to lay here.
I'm feeling very resty.
Is that a word?
Yeah,
Resty?
it is now. It can be anything I want it to be.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
We're closed. Jeez.
15.
Ugh.
Back to the wall. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's work.
An opportune time for that song to be quiet.
Shorter than Friday.
Seriously. You feel my abs too.
You have any overhead presses yesterday?
Yeah.
All right, that's halfway through the first superset.
Yay.
Hydrate. Not right. Just kidding.
No.
You don't have time for that right now.
No water allowed.
Let's get it. Push-ups.
Scorpion
Halfway.
is not my spirit animal.
What?
Scorpion is not my spirit animal.
I'm feeling the dead bug though. Or the dying bug. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Spirit animal's a plant. It gets cold and plants are just like, F it, I'm gonna die. Come back when it's warm.
Ten seconds. All right, we got 2 supersets left in this first round.
You guys making it? Can't tell because everybody's hopefully doing it with us, or they're just sitting there with popcorn laughing.
That's what I would be doing.
My money's on the STW instructors, all sitting around. Should we talk politics?
No, Tom and Terry aren't here. That's the only time I allow that. And by allow, I mean I can't stop it. So.
I need a hair tie.
Me too.
Yeah.
10 seconds. Let's get it. Halfway. Stay with it. Almost made it through this first round. 5 seconds. All right, we got one more round in this set. Then we'll take a quick break. We'll hit the second set. 5 seconds.
Woo!
Uh-huh. Stand up.
I would love to.
Me too. Halfway. Ugh. These are getting ugly.
Ugly scorpion.
Last one.
Okay, I'm only doing this one.
Let's get it.
What's wrong? The club and the moon is full, and I'm looking for a thick young lady to pull. One short shot way to get him at
10 seconds.
Take note to the brand new dance like this. When I move, you move. When I move, you move. When I move, you move.
Time. All right, you can hydrate now as long as you promise to come back for the second round.
And comment, because he's not talking to me and I need someone to talk to.
She doesn't say anything interesting.
Whatever. Hey, they're not happy with our music. Not them. Warner Music Group. Can you guys still hear us? Are we still even live? Are we still going? Somebody comment if you're still alive. If there's anyone out there. I'm not redoing it. Oh, wee!
You're doing what?
Morgan's thrilled.
All right, we got 20 seconds. We start back bottom squats, and then we got rock, no roll.
Yeah.
Rock bottom squats, chest out, butt out, knees tracking your first 2 toes. Get low, bounce, push back up through your heels.
Woo! Yeah, we are definitely
5 seconds.
crazy. Yancey's surrounded by 5 dogs and
I'm
Evan.
going to turn this down so Warner Music Group doesn't shut us down or sue us or something.
Something like that. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Tanja. Yeah, those push-ups really sucked.
Yep.
Thanks, Sandy.
When you look forward to squats, 10 seconds,
Mandy's on there, so she's probably got her wine and is watching for
5
sure.
seconds. Time. Rock, no roll. Remember, if you haven't done this one before, I need video.
Where are you going?
I don't know.
Behind you.
You get in front.
I know.
In front. All right, let's go. Halfway. Come on, stay with it. 10 seconds. Hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders, hips, shoulders. 5 seconds. No hands, no legs. Come on. Stay with it. Time. Back to squats. Man, this round is awesome.
Yeah, this is so much better than push-ups.
5 seconds.
Morgan, get your Atlanta crew in here.
Let's go.
We want after pictures too. Take a nice sweaty picture. Send it to us. Comment.
Halfway.
Something. Tag us on Instagram.
10 seconds. Come on. Easy work. 5 seconds. Time. Rock, no roll.
Yeah.
Kick your tiny little head.
Don't do it. No.
Hip, shoulders. No hands, no legs.
Maybe
Let's go.
Maybe we should socially distance ourselves.
Halfway. Come on. Stay with it. Breathe. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Almost there. Time.
I'm getting steadily closer to the camera.
Third of the way through
Woo!
this
A
set.
third. Oh.
I mean, I'm no math major, but I think that's right.
Don't tell him I'm synchronizing with that.
Halfway. I think it's pretty obvious.
That's okay. I'm gonna make a TikTok out of this.
5 seconds. I got her.
I was doing extra
Uh-huh.
for the people.
Uh-huh.
For the people. 5.
Rock, no roll. Hip, shoulders, hip, shoulders. Let's go. Burn up that core. Breathe.
Earn that quarantini.
Take video. If it's your first time and you're not doing it in a circle, you're doing it wrong.
No, they're doing it right.
No, they're doing it wrong because it's their first time and they're not doing it in a circle.
But,
No,
all right, whatever.
this is my class. Be quiet.
It's my
Halfway.
workout.
What?
It's my workout too. It's like
No.
L'Oreal. No? Oh. Burger King, have it your way.
5 seconds. Let's go.
Thought she was gonna do something to me.
Too many people watching.
You thought about it though. They won't say anything.
I know.
You would kill me on camera. They'd be like, no, he didn't see anything. He's got like 50-something acres at his house.
That's how the Republic does it. Halfway.
It's a new service we're going to start offering.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Whew.
Rock, no roll.
Rock your body, yeah. Yeah. They did it with me.
No, they didn't.
I guarantee you they did.
That they didn't.
Somebody did.
They're working harder than you are because you talking too much.
I'm keeping them entertained.
Yeah.
I'm working hard. I wasn't talking during scorpion push-ups.
No, I heard early noises during that.
I was dying. Getting ready to die on the wall.
Ten seconds.
Whew.
2 more rounds.
E and Tanja are on. That's who should go live. See, they're corals.
Let's get it.
Just like that.
Halfway. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Time.
We want to cry too, bud. 3, 2.
Let's get it. Halfway. 10 seconds. Last one. Woo. Squats, rock no roll, then the Tom cool down.
Oh, oh yeah.
Halfway. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, come on. Almost there. Last exercise. Sort of.
Whew.
Let's get it. Halfway.
He was trying to social distance, but I got him.
10. Time. All right, catch your breath, hydrate. We're going to do a quick cool down. Sort of.
Don't go anywhere yet, people. Yeah, E. Thanks, man. Hope you guys are loving and hating this at the same time. Push-ups are bad. Oh yeah, Harper's doing it too with Mandy.
Awesome. Mandy ain't doing nothing.
Don't give her any of that wine.
Come on. I'm going to need video. I think Mandy's done one workout here the whole time she's been here.
Yeah, it might be right. That's okay.
All right. So, cool down's going to be this. We're going to go from plank to a straight body hold to what's called a long plank. I think if I go this way, it'll be easier to see. So, first one, elbows underneath your shoulders. If Amber can move her ginormous shoulders out of the way.
Cool.
Elbows underneath the shoulders. Back straight, shoulder blades apart. That's going to be a hold. There's no break in between. We're going to step up to the hands underneath the shoulders, shoulder blades apart, pressing the palms into the floor. Then for the last one, I'm going to walk the hands out and hold here.
This is the cool down. It's required. You can't go anywhere yet.
Got about 30 seconds. So again, it's plank, straight body hold, long plank. And we'll step up and out between each one. No rest. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No, I didn't tell you how long we're going. That's halfway for the first one. 10 seconds. Come on, stay in it. Remember, just gonna walk our way up to our hands underneath the shoulders, pressing your palms into the floor in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hold. Good work, good work. Breathe.
Glad you said that.
Shoulder blades apart. Press the entire palm of your hand into the floor. Keep your core engaged. Got 15 seconds. This last one should be pretty tough. 10 seconds.
Shaking.
5 seconds. Walk the hands out and hold. Straight body as best you can. Breathe. Halfway. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Time. Whew. I think we're supposed to elbow bump.
That's the Wakanda sign.
You definitely are not from Wakanda.
Rude.
All right. Thanks, everybody. Hope you got something out of that. We're going to do it every day at noon for the rest of the week. We'll be adding more that you can do on your own throughout the day's videos and just posted workouts. If there's something you want to see, drop a line here on this video and we'll try to work it in. If there's something you'd like for us to work on in one of these workouts, let us know. Anything else?
We nailed it.
Stay safe out there. We'll get through this. We got it. Let's go.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Yancy. Tanger's favorite cool down knot. Thanks, Morgan. Bye, guys.